All right, before we start class today, Courtney, come up here. Come here. Courtney was not able to attend our fall awards program. No, you come over here. You're on video here. Courtney was not able to attend our fall awards program, sports awards program. So I'm going to give her her pin, her program, and her first year varsity letter award for Down High School. For
Yeah,
volleyball. Thank you, without Courtney. There we go. All right, thank you very much. We'll take care of it. We got to take care of it. All right, we had double angle, or not double angles, we had sums and products formulas. Once again, those should be also included on your formula sheet. Some of you that took my formula sheet, they're already there. You see everything that we have talked about, not some of the variations maybe from it, but the formula sheet that I gave you will have everything that we have talked about. What I asked you to do, the multiples of 3 up to 27. Questions you have about any of the problems that we've talked about. Now, problem number 27, they ask you to find angles between 0 and 180. I just want the general solutions. I don't need to have you list all those angles from 0 to 180. Just give me general solutions. I'm fine with that. Questions, things you need me to go through. Once again, the notes that we had yesterday, if you referred to your notes when you went to these problems, you'll be able to see what type of problem you have to do, an example of the problems that we did. We did each one of these here in class yesterday. Is there things that you want me to go through, problems you need me to go through? Once again, it's a lot you need to put some time and effort into it. Yeah. 21, we have the sine of 3x plus sine of 9x. Okay, we have the sine of 3x plus the sine of y or 9x. Okay, we want to write this as they ask us to write it as sine and cosines of the product of two things. So in terms of what we did yesterday, here's your x and here's your y. You want to scan down through what is a formula for the sine of x plus the sine of y. The sine of x plus the sine of y. And then expand it out. My x is 3x. My y is 9x. Should be your first one. First one is sine x plus sine y, which expands out to 2 times the sine of x plus y divided by 2 times the cosine of x minus y divided by 2. So wherever I see an x, I'm putting in a 3x, and a y, I'm putting in a 9y. We have 2 times the sine of 3x plus 9x divided by 2 times the cosine of 3x minus 9x divided by 2. 3x plus 9x. 3x plus 9x. Isaac, what do you come up with? Divided by 2. So we have 12x divided by 2, that's 6x. 3x minus 9x. Lexi comes down to what? So we have the cosine of negative 6x, divide that by 2, you get what? Negative 3x. Okay, now that gives us our simplification, but then we have to make sure they're positive angles or positive expressions. Well, we have the cosine of negative 3x. When we have the cosine, what can we do with the negative sign? Remember? What did we do with our negative sign? Not with the cosine.
You just get rid of it.
Just what?
You just get rid of it.
Just get rid of it, yeah. With the cosine, you can just erase it out. So we have cosine 6x, or sine 6x, cosine 3x. If this was a sine, then you would bring it out front. But cosine, since it is an even function, you can just get rid of it. The sine of the cosine of 30 is the same as the cosine of negative 30. Other questions? Nothing else. All right. Like I said, depend on what I feel the flavor of the day was. I'm going to change what we're going to do here in class today and tomorrow. Today's going to be just a worksheet. Tomorrow's going to be another worksheet with an in-class assignment. Monday will be the review day. Tuesday will be the quiz. So I'm going to shove the review day down to Monday and the quiz to Tuesday. Okay? That's just, once again, I just sort of had to get a feel for what's going on. Every day is changing, as we all know. So that's what we will do. We'll just do a worksheet today. Tomorrow we will have an in-class assignment over double angles, half angles, along with another worksheet. It should give us ample practice in regards to prepping ourselves for the quiz on Tuesday next week. So,